Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Super Saiyan God Xeno Trunks. If you guys don't remember me saying that there is a fan-made English dub on YouTube, then you probably already noticed by now. Trunks, if you must know, this version of Xeno Goku, Xeno Vegeta, Xeno Pan, and the Time Patrol were up against the evil Mechikabera, and they had a secret weapon. They transferred all their energy together to help to transform Trunks into a Super Saiyan God. And it takes 5 Saiyans to transform him into this kind of mode. So, if you guys think this is an awesome idea to turn Trunks into a Super Saiyan God, be sure to leave a comment below. Anyways, Super Saiyan Trunks and Vegeta, they work together to stop Mechikabera and save the underworld and save the Supreme Kai of Time. So okay. With a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam. We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam. Might burst from all the thing, let's get sparking. First we're getting close, then we clap. There we go. Living in the rock, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set through the universe, and it's stress. My heart's dancing to its beat. It's a tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes! There we go, there's his head.
Now we let the thrills build a room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core, always energized for the goal. Let us never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve?
There we go. There's his ab right here. So, known fact, it takes 5 Saiyans to create a Super Saiyan God. And the first one who had this revelation was Beerus. Alexa, what is a Super Saiyan God?
Here's something I found from the article Dragon Ball Super on Wikipedia. After awakening from decades of slumber, Beerus tells his angel assistant and teacher named Whis that he is eager to fight the legendary warrior whom he had seen in a prophecy known as the Super Saiyan God. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
Okay, that's how Beerus got the prophecy done. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
I'm not sure.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme.
Okay, here's
Alexa,
Pablo.
stop. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball
Okay,
Heroes
sorry about that, folks.
Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
Okay, another thing is that, there we go. There's his glove. Makes me wonder, folks, will Trunks ever get to use this form again in the Big Bang mission to stop Fu and his evil plan to create the new universe, the one in his design? Only the future knows. Okay, next up is his scabbard, his sword. And finally, here's the fiery aura that surrounds him. That proves that he has the power of a Super Saiyan God. Can't forget about these. And done. That is how you draw Xeno Trunks at Super Saiyan God form. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment below. Makes me wonder, will Xeno Goten ever reach Super Saiyan God? What about Xeno Gohan or Xeno Pan? We'll find out really soon in the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. So, make sure to leave a comment below, and until next time, we'll be going Super Saiyan God as well. Have a nice weekend.